Today we're going to be in this video we're going to be playing Lumber Tycoon, and I'm with my friend Uli Bags. And I wouldn't call me a pro. He's a good spirit. He said, "Hey, what's up, YT?" So I don't really work on this. People give me money and they give me items. Like, do you guys really think I got that or that or that or that or that or that or that? And promise I give them something back. He just said, "Bro, can I get some cash?" I think he's asking for cash. Alright, I found a really cool glitch. Oh gosh, my God.
Anna showed up late. You know, she was doing track, whatever. No, Anna Hudson. Her mom.
Can you make me some? You know what? I wish they would take out tags and just put in tags like only for experiments. Of course, I think tags are a bogus rule. Wow, you're top board. Let's get top board. I'm sorry, guys. I'm a noob at this game. Leaderboards. Wait, what? Alright, guys. I want to show you guys something. It's a deal. Oh, I want to just shout Ollie Bags out. He is my friend. His real name's Oliver. I can't get any more information out. And I hope you guys did enjoy that little speed build. Comment down below if you guys want me to do more speed builds. I really enjoyed that, and I just felt really comfortable doing that. Like, I wasn't shy. Oh, why do people ask for money these days? The only reason I have my face cam off is because I don't like my face cam on. And thank you so much for 22 subscribers. I'll just give you Uli Bags. Gave him $5,000. That doesn't affect me so much. Ow! Help! I'm stuck! I'm sorry that I don't talk so much in my videos. Sometimes in my videos I don't even know what to say. And help! I'm stuck in the fridge! I wish this was more like Jailbreak, not where like you rob and stuff. Yeah, like if you like in the store and then it closes, they kick you out. Open the door. Alright. Now, I wanted to show you something. When you search up my channel, that pops up. And that. You gotta be kidding. Oh, it's that video. That's not fine. My channel ends here. 400. Yeah! You're watching a video inside of a video inside of a. Is it open? This is technically all my fault. Alright guys, I think I'm going to end the video. Here. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please make sure to smash that video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and like on the video if you guys did enjoy. And I will see you all in the next video. Peace out, Girl Scouts.